How to download and use the free download manager. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to use the free download manager, first of all head over to any of your preferred browser. In the search bar, type in free download manager and tap on the first link. Doing so, you'll be getting to another page. Then after, tap on download for Windows button. This way, exe file will start downloading to your device. You can check the status of your download via the download button on the top right corner of your screen. Once the .exe file is downloaded, the installation prompt should start. Tap on Install for all users. Once that is done, it will open another prompt. Tap on English and tap on OK. Now simply follow the on-screen prompts by tapping on Next until the installation file is started. Tap on Install button and then all the files will be installed to your device. Then after, head over to Google Chrome again and search for Chrome Web Store. Once that is done, tap on Extensions, and once you are on Extensions in the search bar, type in Free Download Manager. This way you will get the option for Free Download Manager's extension. Make sure to tap on it. Once that is done, tap on Add to Chrome. Make sure to give the permission by tapping on Add Extension. This way, the free download manager is also extended to your web browser. To use the free download manager, you can tap on Add Download button. You will be asked to enter the URL of the file that you want to download. Additionally, you can also tap on the Browse button to enter the file that you want to download. Since you have also added the extension, you can head over to the preferred browser that you have added the extension to and search for the file that you want to download. Once you go to the page, tap on the Download button and then it will open the download section on your free download manager. Automatically, the new download will be initiated. Tap on Download button and you are good to go. So this is how you use and download the free download manager. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.